It has begun. So, eat a dandelion and just relax. Look at there. I ate that a few minutes ago and my hands feel better already. And I was doing some research online. Hey, Maggie. And of course it had some of the possible good qualities and bad. And it said in some studies in mice it promoted good gut health, good anti-inflammation stuff, which I guess would be good for these old carpenter hands that hurt just about every day. But then you get to reading and it says there hasn't been enough studies on humans. Well, why is that? As long as science has been around, why aren't they studying it? I mean, I don't understand. Because it tastes pretty good. I guess you could eat the leaves, make tea out of this. It's not too bad. It's better than, to me, it's better than lettuce. Like the iceberg lettuce. Ain't nobody likes that. Really. That's why you got to cover it up with all the stuff. Because you don't like it. But anyhow, it's one of them things kind of makes you wonder. They'll give you this shot and that shot to cure this shot. You need another pill to cure the side effect. But they can't find time to do a study on a dandelion. I don't understand it. And it kind of, if you start thinking about things, kind of makes you wonder. You just got to follow the money. Because that right there is good. Now, I wouldn't eat dandelions out of a old dirty ditch. But up here on this hillside where I know there ain't been no chemicals sprayed, at least in 40 or 50 years, I'll eat these all day long. Well, maybe not all day, but as I meander around working, I'll pick one up for a snack, because that's good. I don't know about the stem. I could try it. I mean, the bees get on it. Honey's good for you. The bees get all on there. Don't bother them. See what the stem tastes like. Stem's a little tough. A little tart. But man, those fresh yellow tops are good. I know I looked out here this morning and I was like, where'd all the dandelions go? They were gone. And then the sun came out, and then I looked back out here an hour later after I had my 2 cups of coffee this morning, and the dandelions popped out. And I said, well, hey, looky there. Got me a snack after a while. But anyhow, we bought a high tunnel a couple years ago and put the frame up, built the boxes inside. Tower truck. But finally, last weekend, Kathy and I put the plastic on it. I think it's not real big. It's 20 by 24, low side walls. But we spent half a day or so out here, 3/4 of a day, I guess. Put the plastic on. roll up sides.
All right. Want me to roll her up? All right, here we go. That's about as right there, yeah. That's perfect. That was easy peasy.
And then as windy as all get out yesterday, so we went to town and got some screen doors to put on it, some storm doors. So I'm messing with that this morning. And it's like 30-mile-an-hour winds, 20 to 30-mile-an-hour wind yesterday is ridiculous. I wasn't gonna get out here. I could have just grabbed the door and threw it up in there, and it would have held it up there real up against the frame just like that. That would have been fantastic. But it would have been a struggle. There ain't no sense in struggling on a weekend. Struggle all week long at work. This is supposed to fit in there. But as you can see, that's probably 1/8 of an inch, 3/16. It's a bit mortised out. Nobody can do anything right anymore. It's the little things, and people wonder why this country is in the position it's in, because nobody cares about doing their job and doing it right. How about whoever owns this company fire that guy that can't seem to get this stuff right? Every door, $500,000 home, 30 some odd doors in here are better, expensive doors. And you can't get that right, you're fired. Well, weekend's my time to enjoy this place. We got us some potatoes. Kathy come through and cleaned up some of the weeds, and then she got some stuff laid out where I assume she's going to want it planted. And then Kathy's over here planting something. What you planting, baby?
I'm planting romaine leaf lettuce.
Romaine lettuce.
Yep.
Nice.
Got them from the co-op the other day.
Oh, good. All right, so we'll just get to planting. What did we plant over here?
That is kale and cabbage that the rabbits got to.
Oh.
It looks like some of it might.
It's coming back. When did you plant this? A week ago?
Ooh, probably 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, so Kathy planted the kale and cabbage a couple weeks ago, and she planted it one night, and we come back the next day and a rabbit had got up in here and
ate every bit of it.
Ate it all the way down the ground, but it's coming back. It's gonna come back, ain't you? Yeah, that's a good plant. There we go. Kathy's planting potatoes.
Fried taters.
Mm-hmm.
We love us some taters.
Everybody likes fried taters. Enjoy this place. Where was I? Oh yeah, I told them. So that's what we're doing today. I'll spare you the details of putting the door in, because it's got to, you know, if you want to put a door in, it's got instructions. It's pretty simple. But I bought a couple of these doors, the cheapest we could find, about $154 a piece. Went to a salvage yard, and they wanted $200 for the same thing. Who's that? Nice. But I'll walk you around here real quick. Then I gotta get back to work. Actually, I forgot to charge my batteries yesterday. 3 batteries. Every time I went to do something long ago, battery's dead. Grab another battery, drill a hole, that battery's dead. Yeah. So, eat a dandelion and just relax. Look at there. I ate that a few minutes ago and my hands feel better already. But hopefully, a few here and there will at least help, because these hands hurt. Well, enough of that. Let me get you spun around and we'll walk around it real quick before I get back to work. Okay, we're getting a bunch of stuff planted. And I come in to get the sweet potatoes. And I figure most people know how to do a sweet potato, but maybe not. But real quick, I guess about 6 or 7 weeks ago, Kathy took some of our sweet potatoes that we had under the bed from last year, and she puts them in water. It's probably been at least 4 or 5 weeks. And then, of course, you can see where they root out. And then, ooh, that one needs to come out of there quick. They root out, and then they take these slips, or they slip. And then what you do, you pull these off. After these get up, yay big or so, they'll make it. So you'll pull them out, and then put them in the water, like this. And then when they start to root and get some decent roots on them, then you can plant them. And these will be the purple sweet potatoes, and they're really, really good. But anyhow, we're gonna take these to the garden, and we'll get them in some earth. Okay, all in a day's work. Got all of our potatoes planted. Sweet potatoes back there. Probably planted them a little thick, but it'll be all right. Might be a little smaller, but that's fine. I don't know what all this stuff is. I forget. But there we go. Just gotta watch it grow. Take care of it. That is some good looking handrail. We got more precision on that than we do on them stinking doors built in a factory with a machine that somebody don't know how to run. They can't even set the mortise right. An 8 to 3/16, how hard is it? Set your machine right. Quality control. Somebody needs to be quality control. I mean, we're out here in the field and have more precision than that. Are you a good carpenter? That's all I got to say. All right, been running around the gardens down here in the front. Asparagus, yum. Didn't get any last year, just let it grow. It's good stuff. We'll end the day on that. Y'all have a good one. Thanks for hanging out.